are here watching me cooking for the very first time, make sure to hit your subscribe button. Press your notification settings so you will always be aware of whenever I upload a new video. Now goodie, this recipe is good for the holidays. Oh, for impress a friend them with this recipe, fast, easy and simple. Chicken with pineapple, cherry, yes. The thing shot. You want me to show you how I made this one? Come on, let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you want some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you forget. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Now, make we talk about the chicken. I choose to use chicken thighs because yeah, I love chicken thighs. Now you could use any part of the chicken but you want to use is all your choice. Now I choose to have mine skin on because the skin I can chop in all of the juices when I love. And anytime you're cooking chicken, it's all about juices, right? All I did with that chicken right there, I washed it nice and clean with lemon juice, salt and vinegar. I let it sit in that water for about 30 minutes and soak up that natural goodness to get extra flavor. Rinse it off again and my meat was ready. Okay goodies, let's get right into the spices where you're gonna need to turn up your thing mad loud. Or let's just say crazy loud. Now of course you're going to need your pineapple. And since I have 5 pieces of chicken thighs, I'm going to use 5 slices of pineapple, right? Now, you're also going to need cherries for that as well. You're going to need onion powder and garlic powder, seasoned salt or Jamaican all-purpose seasoning rather. Fresh parsley or dried parsley is perfect. You're going to need your grated topping Parmesan cheese. You're also going to need salt and black pepper. Now, the black pepper of my choice is the white black pepper. You don't have that? Grab yourself some black pepper. You're also going to need paprika. And all the amount for this recipe will be listed down below. Now, this is your very first step. Now, make we start cooking the goodie? Yes, no. When you're in the lay thing, you know, a cook, we are cook. We are going to add that spice on top of that chicken. And remember, goodie, do not worry about the bottom part of that chicken because when you cook this thing, it's going to go right through the bottom of the pan and flavor up the bottom of that chicken. At the top, we want the seasoning to go. No, all you want to do is just pat that goodness down into that chicken like so. Don't touch nothing else, just pat it in there. Now goodie, you want to go ahead and put your pineapple on top of each and every one of that chicken. And then put your cherry in the middle. We said cherry, right? Now goodie, you want to get some more of that oil and just drizzle it all over that chicken, that pineapple rather. Then you just drizzle again with some of that parsley. Now good as you want to pop this in your preheated oven, right? Your oven should be on 350 degrees. And this is going to take about 45 minutes to bake. Do not cover this. Leave it uncovered the entire time. And I will see you back in 45 minutes. Right, yes, so. Now got it. When you get done, I saw the thing I got set. Just like that. Close up on the one, yeah. Watch it. Like, share this recipe with friends and family, right? Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage. You know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.